Hi, and welcome to the Nest at Laurel Drive. We're glad you're here. Wanted to take a couple minutes to show you around and what to expect. When you come in, just pull right in here in front of the driveway or the garage. Over on the right-hand side, we have a cabin there. Sometimes we have campers, or sometimes we don't. Just be mindful of that. We have some overhead lights that'll come on about 8 o'clock and go to about 10 or so. You got a beautiful garden area here. Little fire pit, barbecue grill there. I have wood for you in this blue bin here, in a fire log, and I have some regular size logs right there for you to use. Okay, upstairs. First thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the lockbox, and you're going to reset the code, which is this one right down here, and then press and then the down button, and then you should be able to release and get the lock or the key inside the lockbox. If you need to open it, again, reset it. There. All right, we've got a nice little cabin here, 2 twin beds. On the right-hand side is our kitchen area. Got hot plates here, toaster oven, microwave, refrigerator, some water in it. We got glasses, silverware, pots and pans, skillet here, utensils, coffee cups, kitchen appliances there. We also have on this side is kind of a grab all. Just look around and you hear some guidebooks to use. We have a place for your charger. Down here, this is a dog towel, if you have a dog. And if it gets chilly in here, there's a heater that works really well. You shouldn't need it unless it's starting in October. So everything's good. Bathroom. Everything is here. Some extra toiletries. We have a hair dryer down below. Down here we got another little heater. This is actually a heater right here to warm up the bathroom. Nice shower, towel. Nice little nest. So let's just take another look through here. I got a couple games and cards and various utensils and for the grill. So you go out, a nice little table here to sit and relax, enjoy nature. There you have it.